Hi children, welcome to my English class. Today we will learn the section 1, 2 and 3 of Pros to Friendship, which shows a relationship between friends. Let's have a look at the characters of the story. Vetri, he was a successful businessman in Coimbatore. Vetri's father, his father died due to some health problems. Asif was a childhood friend of Vetri. He was living in Chennai. Vetri's wife was very supportive to Vetri. Let's begin the story to gain a greater level of understanding. This is a story on the friendship between Vetri and Asif. Vetri was a prosperous businessman in Coimbatore. His Vetri Construction Company constructed many shopping complexes, houses, and a few apartments in and around Coimbatore. After his father's death, he was forced to split the wealth to his brothers. From then on, Vetri found it difficult to establish his business. He could not pay the loans taken to run his company, so he sold all his properties and paid the loans. He moved to a very small house with his family. He found a job and led a normal life. But he desired to start a company again. No one was ready to lend him money. One day his wife suggested him to ask his friend Asif for help. But Vetri hesitated to ask him for help as he had not seen him for a long time. After a deep thought, he decided to meet his friend Asif, who was in Chennai. Vetri boarded to Chennai. His memory went back to his school days. They lived in the beautiful village Kilakudi near Coimbatore. Vetri and Asif studied in the middle school in the outer part of the village Kilakudi. The teachers and students would never forget Vetri and Asif and their friendship. They were always together in learning and playing. One day there was a quarrel between Vetri and Asif's family. But this did not affect their friendship. Their exams, results, and the marks never affected their friendship. After their 10th standard, Asif moved to Chennai and Vetri settled in Coimbatore. When Vetri went to Asif's office, he was stopped by the security. Vetri told him that he wanted to meet his friend Asif. He directed Vetri to the receptionist. When Vetri was asking the receptionist, he got a pat on his back. It was Asif, his friend. Asif saw him through the CCTV camera and came down to receive him. Vetri was speechless and apologized to Asif that he didn't get a chance to visit Chennai till then. Vetri said that since he had come to attend his friend's wedding, he thought that he could meet him. They spoke about their school days, the fun they had, about their business. Asif took Vetri to his home to lunch. Vetri was surprised to see that everyone knows him. In the evening, Asif dropped him in the railway station. Vetri reached home and told his wife everything in detail. 2 days later, he received a call from Asif's office stating that Asif, their MD, had assigned a project to Vetri. As Asif had recognized the situation of Vetri, he helped him without any returns. So, children, through this lesson, what we understood that a real friend is one who walks in when the rest of the world